Well, hi there, everybody. How are you doing today? I made the fried chicken already. I'll show it to you in a minute. And I'm making some onion rings. And I discovered I wanted buttermilk for the onion rings, the batter, and I didn't have any. So I'm going to show you how to make it. This has, you can see the liquid in there, a tablespoon, I'm sorry, of vinegar. And this is going to have a half a cup of whole milk. Yeah. Mm-hmm. My grandmother used to do this all the time. Let's just get it all over the table. I'm gonna have my spills. I gotta get up for a minute. Don't look at me. I've been working all day in the art room, so a mess, kind of, so to speak. But loving every minute of it. Should have had a paper towel or something down there with me anyway. But no. But anyway, those things happen. Even the television stars on Food Network, they still you just don't see it because they dub it out. So this is me live in living color. Okay, so anyway. Got that all wiped out. So anyway, put this over here. Put it in the refrigerator a minute. And this thickens up. Believe it or not, see if I can show this to you. This thickens up to this consistency right away, so that the milk is actually thin when you pour it in, but then when you put it in the vinegar, it thickens up. You can also use lemon juice, but I didn't feel like doing that. And that's how thick it is. Let me see. Can you see that? So now, I'm going to taste it. Ooh, that's buttermilk. I don't like buttermilk. Not to drink, but to use in food. I got onions all cut. Let me just see who that is. I gotta put that on the thingamajig because it needs. Nobody's called all day. As soon as I get on the phone, I get on the computer, then somebody calls. So then, now this is in here. I'm gonna mix all this up, these onions. So we're having onion rings. We're being bad tonight. So we're having fried chicken and onion rings. My husband's out. He'll be back. He left for a little while. And to be perfectly honest with you, if I may, I like those moments when I'm all alone. The kids are away, they're having fun. I heard from them today, and they're having a ball with their cousins and things. So, be that as it may, I'm missing them. But then again, I'm having fun with myself, so that is what it is. This is the bag of flour that I have. I put my things in the flour in the bag because they're just easier for me to do. Now that I dredged this in the buttermilk, I'm going to take the first ones out. And they're all dredged. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm taking all the loose ones out. And then I've got one more pile to do. And that's not hard. I put my fingers in it because my hands are clean. And because it just gets it even better. So it's raining here. It looked like it was going to rain yesterday. It was all dark and bleak and dreary and everything. It didn't rain. Well, it spit, but it didn't rain. But it's raining. And I like the rain. I used to like playing in the rain when I was little. Okay, so we're going to put these in. We're going to put these in. Mm-hmm. Yes, we are. Like I said, don't look at me. I've been working in that art room all day. I'm going to take a shower and change my clothes and then go back in the art room and do some more work. So let's pop this in the fry. It's not going to take long to fry. This is the first batch. I'm just letting it ring, and then I'm going to take it and put it in the sleeve. Excuse me, but I got to wash my hands, you know that. Excuse me, 1 minute while I put this in the spoon in the sleeve. Play nicely with one another. Talk among yourself. Be right back. I'm back. Did you play nicely with one another? Put that phone up. I should have put it in there in the first place, and I'm sorry about that, but, you know. When these are done, I'm just going to let the grease, the oil, and then I'm going to put the second batch in. I'm going to take the first batch out, and then I'm going to bring that to me. I've enjoyed this. I think I'm just trying to see. I nobody's really said anything, whether they want me to come on like once or twice a week. And I'll do art as well. But cooking is an art as well. I know a lot of people realize that, but then a lot of people don't seem to realize that. And I've got so much to do anyway, and I figured I might as well do it with you guys, my friends. And I want to say hi to Kathy. Glad you're home. Hope you're feeling okay. She had a rough, oh my God, it's terrible. It was really terrible, but God works, and He brought her home. And you know, I mean, I've been there, so, you know, I'm not like her, but, you know, in different ways I've been sick, and it's not fun. It's not fun for your family either, so. And then what I'm going to do is this little bit of buttermilk that's left in here, I'm going to save it and do something else with it. Who knows? I might make biscuits. I haven't made biscuits in a long time, but I have. It's a very long story, but I'll just take it brief. I've got a bunch of biscuits because something went wrong with one of the biscuits I bought, and I called the company, and they sent me coupons to get biscuit. And I always check my coupons and everything to notice that the last day, I got one biscuit, but then the last day to buy the other biscuit was on the 14th, the 19th. So I bought 4 biscuits. So, you know how that goes. So, here we go. Now, this is the chicken coming out, and I'll show you so far what I got. Now the last batch is going in. Awesome. Okay. Going down. This makes this foam a little bit more because of the acid in it, I guess, from the vinegar. But it's done. So let me show you what I got. Let me get a plate. I got this golden brown chicken because I put a little bit of paprika in it, and these golden onion rings. It's pretty good. And it doesn't take long. I told you, I don't cook for long unless it's a Sunday dinner or a Thanksgiving or Christmas or something like that. I don't cook long, and now everybody has their own things to cook. So before I love cooking. I just time. But I'm gonna get me a plate. I'm gonna sit and eat with you for a minute. Tell you how it tastes. Because I haven't done that. So I'll do that today. Now, in the flour that I prepared for that, I put flour, of course, seasoning salt, Lorry's, some garlic salt. Sometimes I use garlic powder, sometimes I use garlic salt. It depends on what kind of mood I'm in. And then I used pepper and salt and paprika. Sometimes I can use more seasoning. Depends, again, how I feel. 4 from him. His 4 is on the plate. See if these other ones are done, and I'll have to get back up again. Yep, they're done. They are done. It doesn't take long finding these. And my granddaughter loves these onion rings. Put these in the microwave for him. The stove up and everything. Wash the dishes. So I'm not going over to the drawer and get lunch. I need to remind myself, right, to get paper napkins because I usually use cloth napkins, but when there's just hand time, you only really need paper napkins. We're going to wash all the time, so I'm not going to salt it yet. I'm going to taste it first, see if it needs any salt. Let's try this onion right here. Yeah, you want your food? It's in the microwave, huh?
In a little while.
Okay.
Okay.
That tastes good. And that's how you make the buttermilk when you don't have buttermilk. And like I said, you can either use lemon or white vinegar. 2 tablespoons. And actually, you can use it with a half a cup of milk or a cup of milk, depending upon what you're going to make. So, if you like this, because I'm going to eat now, like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And tell me what you want me to cook. And I'll be glad to. So I love you. Take care. God bless. This is so good. Bye-bye.